In this video, you're gonna learn a fast and easy way on how to size your jump rope. You're also gonna learn some things to consider going through the process. And if you don't have a jump rope, hit the link in the description, grab one now. They're only $20, in my opinion, far too cheap. You're also gonna learn some basic mechanics and posture to get you jumping with confidence. Let's get into it. The first and easiest thing to do when sizing your jump rope is going to be put one foot in the center and pull the handles up to your chest. Ideally, starting out, you want the handles to land right in your chest or right in your armpit area. You don't want them up here, that's gonna be too high, and you don't want them down here, that's gonna be too low. Ideally, handles are vertical, landing in your chest armpit area. Not out like this, not out like this, not like this, not this, not this, nothing like that, right? Straight up to this area. Take your rope, push it through, and this is just a plastic pressure lock mechanism. No tools required, it's really nice. That piece slides loose, this piece slides down to it, and now your rope is shorter. And if you chose to, you could always cut that off with a pair of kitchen scissors or pocket knife, anything sharp, or you could leave it long. It doesn't really matter. There's not a right or wrong way to do it. Just remember, once you cut it, it's cut. So cut a little bit at a time. It's coming from experience. The other thing that I want you to keep in mind is the grip on these, right? When we're jumping rope, you don't need a death grip on these. You don't need to squeeze the juice out of them. A nice light grip. There's this bell in the handle right here. For me, I use 3 fingers. I just grab it right there, and that's how I'm moving the rope. I'm not squeezing the juice out of these things. Nice light grip on the handle. So now that we know how to size our rope, we've gone through this step, we've cut off any excess, and you only need to do it on one side. You don't need to cut or do anything on both sides. You could just do it on one. Next thing we're gonna do is get into the mechanics of jumping rope. What you wanna do is remember the speed and the rotation of the rope is coming from your wrist. So you can get a lot more and easier rotation when you have a nice light grip on your handle versus this death grip, all right? So that's the grip. Posture is going to be keeping a nice straight line from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And I say that because as we're jumping, we're not gonna be doing this. We're gonna be landing and launching on the balls of our feet, not this. Land and launch on the balls of your feet. You do see a slight bend in my knee. That's acceptable. What's not acceptable is that you're not doing heels to butt, all right? So we know how to size our rope. We know how to cut the rope, grip the rope, what the body mechanics looks like. The other thing that we want to keep in mind is our arms. What are our arms doing while we're jumping? Are they out like this, like the letter T? Look how short that rope is. You really have to jump high to get over that. Remember, we sized it like this. We sized it with our arms close to our body. We didn't do this, we did this, right? This is exactly what we did. As a result, that's how you want to jump because the rope is sized for that. So look at, we have a nice light grip on the handles. With me, it's 3 fingers. Nice and light, jump, 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 jump. As that rope is hitting the ground in front of you, you could hear it. You could hear it just clipping the ground, a little snap, snap, snap. As that's happening, you want to think about jumping. And now keep in mind, if this is new to you, there's no reason that you should know how to do it on your first shot or even your second shot. This is gonna take some getting used to. So give yourself some grace and just keep in mind, like there's no reason that you think you should be good at this, especially if it's your first, second, third, fourth shot. It's gonna take time to understand the rhythm, the timing, the cadence, breath control. You're gonna learn all of that doing this, but to think you're gonna have it all on day one, you're crazy, right? But we all think that. I'm guilty as well. So, right, we have our arms close to our body, our elbows are back, our arms aren't out like this. Arms are close to our body, elbows are back, nice light grip on the handles. And it's not gonna matter with your feet if you're keeping them together with your jump or if you're alternating. I just want you to do this right here. Spin the rope with your wrist. I'm not doing this, right? You're gonna exhaust yourself and probably hurt yourself. And the other thing I'm not doing, that just slams your lower back. That slams your lower back. You wanna stay Nice and light on your feet. Treat the ground like it's lava, all right? Treat the ground like it's lava. Get on it, get off it. Keep as little of your body on it as possible. In the case of jumping rope, it's the balls of your feet. You're not flat-footed, right? You're not doing this. Nice and light, feet together, arms in, elbows back. Spin this jump rope with your wrist, with a nice light grip, not your arms. And practice. Practice 3, 4, 5 times a week. 5, 7, 10 minutes at a clip. And understand you're gonna make mistakes, and that's okay. That's okay. Everybody who's making videos like this is making mistakes, myself included. Stick with it, learn breath control. And if I haven't mentioned it yet, click the link in the description, use code SHIP4FREE at checkout. Free continental USA shipping on a $20 jump rope, which in my opinion is underpriced, but it is what it is. So again, leave you guys with that. Nice easy jumps, arms in, elbows back, spin the rope with the wrist, maintain a nice straight line from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And until next time, thanks for being here.